Hi everyone, I'm Lizzie. Welcome to Lizzie Loves Languages. In this lesson, you will learn the days of the week and the months of the year. Are you ready? Let's go. The first part of this video will consist of explaining some vocabulary words important to explain or to talk about the days of the week, and the second part of this video will be about the months of the year. First of all, week. Week in Spanish is semana. A week has 7 days. Una semana tiene 7 días. Días, which means days. Usually in Spanish, we start the week with Monday, lunes. The second day of the week is Tuesday, martes. The third day of the week is Wednesday, miércoles. The fourth day of the week is Thursday, jueves. And the fifth day of the week is Friday, viernes. Now, notice that these 5 days of the week are our weekdays or días hábiles de la semana. Or we can also say work days or días de trabajo. Empezamos el lunes y terminamos el viernes. Usually work days are from Monday till Friday. Starting Friday evening, we call it fin de semana or weekend. Weekend. Fin de semana. Saturday, which is sábado, and Sunday, domingo. Now, a couple of things to take in account when talking about días de la semana or days of the week. In Spanish, days of the week are written in lowercase letters. Los escribimos con minúsculas, lowercase. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo will not go with mayúscula or capital letters. Also, notice that all of these days of the week are masculine. Remember that in Spanish we have gender of the words? Well, in this case, they're all masculine. El lunes, el martes, el miércoles, el jueves, el viernes, el sábado y el domingo. When you want to use plural form, or when you're indicating that you go, let's say, you go to church every Sunday, you would say, yo voy a la iglesia todos los domingos. Los domingos. So, weekends or days of the weekends, such as sábado y domingo, will have a plural. If you want to refer to the days of the week, such as lunes, you don't need to add a plural form. It is already in plural. For example, on Mondays, I eat at my grandma's house. Los lunes, yo como en casa de mi abuela. Now let's review the days of the week in Spanish. How do you call the first day of the week in Spanish? Es correcto, lunes. How do you call the 2 days that are the weekends in Spanish? Sí, sábado y domingo. Which one is the last work day in Spanish? You're right, viernes. Now in this part of the video, we will review and learn the months of the year. Los meses del año son 12. The months of the year are 12. We start with January, enero, February, febrero, March, marzo. April, abril. May, mayo. June, junio. July, julio. August, agosto. September, septiembre. October, octubre. November, noviembre. And December, y diciembre. Now notice that in Spanish, we write the months of the year in lowercase letters. Los escribimos en minúsculas, okay? So we do not write them with capital letters. It's just like our days of the week. Lowercase letters en minúsculas. Also, every single month will be masculine. Todos los meses del año son en masculino. In Spanish, like in English, we have 4 seasons in the year. Tenemos 4 estaciones en el año. Year es año. Estaciones is seasons. Winter, invierno. Spring, primavera. Verano, summer. And fall, otoño. Notice that otoño, invierno y verano will be masculino. So, el otoño, el verano, el invierno. The only season that you will be referring to is feminine will be primavera. So, la primavera. Now let's review. In what month do we usually have Christmas? You're right, December. How many months do we have in the year? 12. In what month do we usually have summer days? Correct, Julio. Which one will be a month of spring? Yep, Marzo. All right, that is all for today. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Again, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Until next time, adios.